Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Grant, and we're going to go ahead and review part of today's lesson from class today. Unit 3, Lesson 1, Rain Riddles. Go ahead and take a look at this picture and keep that in mind as we move on. So in this picture, we see that the topic of the unit is water for everyone. So pretty much the topic here is about water. The big question that we see is, where do we get water? So the picture shows a bunch of people with buckets and they're gathered around. Looks like there's a fountain maybe. So what are the people doing in the picture? So they are gathering water, right? They're all gathering water. And where are they getting the water from? Well, they're getting the water from the fountain in the picture. Looking at this diagram, looking at this picture, the diagram here, we can observe a cycle of water. Water comes from places like lakes and oceans at the bottom and rises as rain forms clouds in the sky, and the sun plays a role in the process. The cycle repeats, showing how water recycles in nature. So it's like a journey where water goes up and comes back down, creating a continuous flow. Looking at this diagram, we can see a cycle of water. Water comes from places like lakes and oceans at the bottom. It rises as rain forms clouds in the sky, and the sun plays a role as well in this process. The cycle repeats, showing how water recycles in nature. It's like a journey where water goes up and comes back down, creating a continuous flow. Let's go through these questions. When the sun shines, what does the water from oceans and lakes change into? The sun shines and the water from oceans and lakes changes into water vapor. What does the water vapor form? What do these things come together to form? It forms tiny water droplets. These water droplets come together to form clouds. The third question is, how does the water fall down from the sky? Where does it go? Water falls from the sky as rain. It falls back into the lake and ocean. Here is a thinking map. We have a problem, we have the events, and we have the solution. Listen to the story about something that happens to Rudy and Lupe. Then try to complete the chart. Focus on the problem and the events that lead to a solution. So the problem, what do you guys see for the problem? We see them in the rain playing baseball. So the problem is that it's raining, right? So they go inside, right? And they dry off. They get a board game and play the game. Rudy and Lupe are playing ball. Then Lupe feels a raindrop. Oh no, it's raining. Now they cannot play outside. The brother and sister run into the house. They dry off. Then they have a game to play inside. They play and have fun all afternoon. So, let's go ahead and complete this chart. Here is the problem. Rudy and Lupe cannot play outside. Event 1. They run inside. Here is what the characters do to solve the problem. They find a game. And the solution is that Rudy and Lupe play inside. So here is how the characters solve the problem. So here we're gonna do a quick phonics lesson. Can you read the words that you see behind me? What sound does the IE and EY make? Well, if you guys said E, you are absolutely correct. Like the word chief or the word key. Listen to the long E vowel sound in the picture words. Choose the words that have the same long E vowel sound as the picture words. So, what is the picture that you see over here? If you guys said chimney, you're correct. What word has the same sound as chimney? Held, chase, or hockey? If you guys said hockey, you are correct.
1. Chimney.
Good job.
2. Field.
Field. Which word has the same sound? Brick, brief, or bled? If you guys chose brief, you are correct. Let's look at the third picture. Alright, so again, we have a monkey with an iPhone. So you might want to call that monkey a thief. A thief. A thief. Which word has the same sound as thief? Would it be cake, niece, or vest?
3. Thief.
Thief. If you chose niece, you are correct. And here's the last one. We have money. Money. So again, which word has the same long E vowel sound as the picture word? Money. Would it be valley, west, or tent? If you guys chose valley,
4. Money.
very good. If you chose valley, you are correct. Beautiful work, guys. Beautiful, beautiful work. And just to quickly review the words here, let's go ahead and read them one by one. We have the word turn, drink, feel, live or live, water, 3, form, cold. That's going to do it for our lesson. I will see you guys next time. Good job, everyone. Bye-bye.